Alright, hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be my first video, and today I'm just going to show you how to go from Noob to Trill. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I had to click off the shop because you already know. Okay, oh guys, add me, yeah, you should add me because, like, I'm cool like that. Okay, so from Noob to Trill. I just made this account today, so if you're wondering, like, why do I not have any outfits or anything, that's why. So I have to take all of this off because, going from a noob to Trill. So I'm just gonna put on an avatar because avatars, boy, you need avatars in your life. No, really, you need an avatar though. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick a head. I can't see that you ain't getting money lately. What do one eyebrows at? I'm sorry, guys. Like singing. Where's the one eyebrows that everybody always be getting? Oh, here you go. Well, the ones that I always see. Okay. I'm just looking for scalers because that's what they usually have. And I usually don't use this. I never use this. But I'm going to use it for this video. I'm looking for the head scaler, and I really don't feel like looking it up. Here it goes. This might be too big. It's really big, I'll say that. Okay. Ew. Yeah, totally not putting that on. XZ really did make some good pants. No. Maybe, maybe not. Nope, just not. Decent cute pants though. I mean, yeah, now that I put in mind. Here we go. And no, I'm not finna buy this outfit because it's not nobody got time for that. This is like an outfit that you get like in like a one-piece set. Or a two-piece, I mean, whatever it's called. Jolene. Why the freak does she always use orange? Like, whatever color it is. Like, who's trying to buy that? Okay, let's go. Colette, go in the other bathroom. Had to tell my sister to go in the other bathroom because she was here zooming them out. She didn't even want to think it was the thing gonna look too fat in her head. You already know we gotta put on the Jordans. What if I accidentally bought that? I would be so mad. So I don't, like, if I have like a hairstyle like this, I don't worry about the accessories. Cause I'm not gonna sit up and waste my money if you can't even see it. So. You my family. Sorry if I'm being like silent right now. You take that off. I'm sorry that my family's being so loud, guys. This is like literally nothing. Yeah, I didn't do anything at all. This is what I was looking for. I need to add that to my wish list. What this do? Oh, okay, hold on. Oh, that looks way more better. To like a transgender, like, male. Or... What was I gonna do? That, okay. Okay, guys, so here's that. Wait a minute, I'm gonna add this too. Okay, guys, so here's the finished look. If you want to know how to do it, I mean, I'm so retarded. I mean, anyways, here go the finished look. Noob to Trill. Yeah. If you want me to make more videos like this, comment down below, and I'll do that for you. This video is like 10 minutes long right now. So anyway, it looks basic, but like, so she's have on Jordans, some ripped jeans, and like a lace top with this like bandana thing on her head. That's low-key raw though. Eyebrows on fleek. She got a lollipop. She got her chains in, her necklaces, you know, and she got her tattoo. So, alright, bye guys. Hope you like this video. Peace.